What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Uh, Welcome back to Ordinary E. I'm an ordinary guy learning about computers, and hopefully you're learning with me. So today's video, what we're going to do is we finally found a fix for the internet reset. So I don't know how many people out there have been having trouble. I went to forums. I looked on Google, and I've been trying to fix this network reset error, that whenever you start your computer, your internet is disconnected, and then you have to go into, device manager, look for your network adapter, reset that or delete it, restart your computer, and then miraculously your internet's back. But I finally found it. I finally found the fix. So like I said, guys, I've been going on to I went on to Google, and there's a 20-step walkthrough on how to reset your network adapter and how to maybe fix it from resetting. There was videos on YouTube. Again, it was the same 20-step thing. It took me to places that I never knew existed, and I didn't know if I was going to get out of it. I was inserting code and hotkeys and God knows what else. But it wasn't until I watched a video from a YouTuber that I subscribe to and follow. It was J2Cents, and he was talking about a graphics card fix. And I kind of linked the two together. So he was talking about the graphics card and the drivers, and the reason why your graphics card wasn't working, or you're having to reset the drivers. And he said something in that video that made me think, is that what could possibly fix the network situation that I have? And lo and behold, it fixed it. So without dribbling on too much, the video is going to be short. I've been away for a bit, sorry guys, and I'm going to come back now. I've got a few videos lined up, so you're going to get those in quick succession, so you get plenty of me. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and smack the like button, so you don't miss any of those. But let's fix this network reset adapter error. Not even an error. It was like you turn on, right, and you had to go here, reconnect your internet. It would say you need to restart. You would restart the machine and it would be working. Now, to permanently get rid of that and not have to restart your network, it is so simple, you are not going to believe it. And this is what it was. So you go into your type search bar here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It might not be clear, I don't have the best of cameras, but all you do is you type in, I think it was edit or power edit. There it is, edit power plan. That is what you need to click into. So you'll click into that and you get shown, you guys might have something different, but I get this window. And it took me a while to figure out where to go. It was change settings, you can turn off your display, etc. Now what I did, just press up on the space bar or on this arrow here, so it gets you to this kind of page. And we want to go power options, and we want to choose what the power button does. I don't know if you can see that, it may not be clear, but that's what it says. And when you look down here on shutdown settings, this was ticked for me. It says turn on fast startup, recommended. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart is affected. Learn more. I didn't learn more. All I know is I unticked that, and I don't think I ticked anything else. I just unticked that. And as soon as I did that, and I restarted my computer, and then from then on, it connects to the internet. So for whatever reason, this, and I can only assume that it's a fast restart, so it forgets everything you saved or was doing, and it just starts your Windows as quick as it can, and it doesn't remember your network setting. So guys, I'll just go through it once again. So all you do is go edit, power plan, it comes up, but yeah, power plan, click that. Maybe hit the up arrow up there to take you back to some options. Choose what the button power does, click that, and when I press the power button, shut down. Oh yeah, so I think I may have changed this, but apparently now I can't even click this anymore. So yeah, change settings that are currently available. Oh, so you may have to do that. So I click change settings that are currently available, and look, you can tick it on. That's how it was for me. I'm going to tick it off and save changes, and that is it. So now when I go back again, it's all locked, and you click this change settings that are currently unavailable. So change settings that are currently unavailable, click that. That will unlock these for you to change. And I just have this, so I turn on, no, we're going to turn off fast start, untick turn on fast start, so you untick that. On sleep, show in power menu, don't know, I've got that ticked, doesn't really matter, I didn't change anything, I don't think. Hibernate is not ticked, and lock, show in account picture menu, don't know what that means, but that's ticked. And I think I didn't change anything here, all I did was untick the first box, so it's blank, and I'll save changes, and yeah, no issues now. As soon as I turn on the computer, it's connected and doesn't ask me to restart after going into device manager. And so before I was having to go into device manager and go to network adapters. This network adapter, this is the network adapter here, it says Intel R82579V gigabyte network. This one works. Now when I reset it, this is what pops up, but when it was disconnecting and coming up with having to reset, it was the same, all the same, except for this V was an LM, and I was having to right click, uninstall that LM device, and then hit restart, and it would come back. Don't need to do that anymore. Super happy with that. Hope that fixes yours. Let me know in the comments below if it does. If it doesn't, now just to reiterate, in Jay's 2 cents video, and you could probably go watch his because it explains it a lot better with regards to the graphics card and possibly anything else that you've been having to reset your drivers for. This could be the culprit, not the 20 steps that you find in Google or the 20 steps you find on videos that takes you into hotkeys and insert binary codes and God knows what else I was doing, but it was crazy. We don't need to be doing that. You just go into the power plan setting, you turn off the fast start. Bob is your uncle's best friend's cat's neighbour's friend. Anyway, I hope you find that useful. If you do, hit the subscribe button for me and smash the like button. And yeah, a couple of more videos coming in the next couple of days or so. So I'm going to carry on, so don't miss those. If you haven't already, please watch my other video where I'm beginning to build a PC that I want to give away. I need you guys to choose a case. Please choose a case. Otherwise I'm going to have to choose it myself. And then I want you guys to give me a character, a sort of, you know, a theme that you want the case to be decorated in, and I'll try it. I've never done that before, so I'll try it. If not, I'll just leave the case as it is and build in it and give it away. So yeah, please do that, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.